In this video, I have 5 tips that I'm going to be giving you to make managing your pool much easier and less expensive. And at the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that's going to save you even more money. Number 5, brushing. Brushing is critical to properly maintaining your swimming pool. Properly brushing your pool allows your good water chemistry to do the job it needs to do to help eliminate algae in your swimming pool, and it helps reduce staining and scaling. Number 4, removing dirt and debris. Organic debris sitting in your swimming pool releases nutrients and organics into the water that algae needs to live. Removing that debris stops that cycle and stops the food chain that algae needs. These organics also eat up your chlorine because your chlorine will be trying to oxidize these organics. So if you are allowing a lot of debris to remain in your swimming pool, you're going to go through a lot more chlorine than what you should. And if you're not emptying your skimmer baskets and your pump basket and your cleaner bags on a regular basis, that is still releasing nutrients into the water that algae needs to live, and it's still putting an excessive load on your chlorine. So make sure you empty your skimmers and your pump baskets and your cleaner bags on a regular basis. Number 3, good filtration. It's critical that you have adequate filtration to help remove organics and other debris from the water. 1, for water clarity, but 2, to help remove that stuff from the water so your sanitizers are not using themselves up trying to oxidize those materials. A turnover in your pool is the volume of water in your pool going through your filter one time. That's 1 turnover. In North Texas and other harsh environments, I recommend a minimum of 2 to 3 turnovers every day. According to the laws of dilution, it takes 3 to 4 turnovers to filter 95% of your water. So in a harsh environment, 2 to 3 turnovers is probably the minimum number of turnovers you want on a daily basis. Number 2, circulation. Circulation is critical to properly maintaining your swimming pool. Algae loves calm water. And if you're not properly circulating your water well in your swimming pool, your chemistry can be different in different points of the pool. So if you have a dead spot in your pool due to poor circulation, there's a really good chance that's going to be a spot that you get algae much more often, because your sanitizer levels are going to be different in that dead spot, and your pH and alkalinity, your water balance, everything, even the water temperature can be different in that dead spot. So you want to make sure that you eliminate dead spots in your swimming pool. Most pools have returns that can be adjusted and put in different angles. I highly recommend that you turn your entire pool either clockwise or counterclockwise to help eliminate dead spots. Poor circulation is the #1 problem that I find in swimming pools. A lot of times a problematic pool can become an easily managed pool by simply changing the circulation. You want to make sure you turn your entire pool either clockwise or counterclockwise. I recommend that your returns go slightly down and not towards the surface. Go slightly down. Make sure you're getting water moving across your tanning ledges and across your benches and up into any corner that may exist in your pool design. And our #1 tip is good water chemistry and proper sanitizer levels. To kill algae faster than it multiplies, you need to maintain 7.5% of your CYA or stabilizer or cyanuric acid. Maintain 7.5% of that number in free chlorine with a good pH, and you will accomplish killing algae faster than it multiplies. Algae will double every 3 to 4 hours in good conditions. So your whole goal is to kill that algae faster than that. You're never going to keep algae from getting in your outdoor pool. Every time the wind blows, algae is coming in with the wind. Every time it rains, you're getting algae in your pool. Every time a duck or a bird or a frog comes from a natural water source into your pool, they are introducing algae. Your goal is to kill that algae faster than it multiplies, and 7.5% of your CYA in free chlorine at a good pH and good water balance. And if you're accomplishing the good brushing, the good removing of debris, good circulation, good filtration, then 7.5% of your CYA in free chlorine is going to keep your pool algae free. And now our bonus tip, Borates and Blu-ray XL. With borates in your water at 50 parts per million or greater, instead of having to maintain 7.5% of your stabilizer level in free chlorine at a good pH, now you only have to maintain 5% of your CYA level. That's a 50% increase to if you're using borates to if you're not using borates in chlorine. And then with Blu-ray XL also slows the growth rate of algae, so you can use even less chlorine. With Blu-ray XL, you do have to manage your metal levels in your swimming pool, but that's easily done, especially with products like See You Later Metal Eliminator. But with borates and Blu-ray XL in your swimming pool and properly managing your water, it actually becomes very easy to maintain an algae-free pool. We use borates and Blu-ray XL on our routes of several hundred pools, and it has greatly reduced the amount of chlorine and other chemicals it takes for us to maintain our pools and keep them algae free. So start using these tips and maintaining your swimming pool, and you will start realizing how much easier and how much less expensive maintaining a swimming pool can be. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out the rest of the videos that we have of all the tips and tricks and all the products that we recommend.